Yo sé. Billy la bufanda es una bufanda. No tiene dientes. Buenos días, 8th grade. Hoy es el 21 de abril 2020. ¿Qué vamos a hacer hoy? We're going to look at another set of verbs. E to IE stem changers. We've already taken a good look at O to UE stem changers, right? Verbs such as dormir, verbs such as jugar, encontrar, contar, costar, resolver, volver, morir, dormir. Now we're going to look at a different set of stem changers, E to IE stem changers. I've already made a Quizlet set of flashcards for you. So take a good look at those and see which ones you're familiar with and which ones you are not. We talked about two commands. This is actually a vosotros command. Estudiad. That's y'all study. Vosotros estudiad. So, por favor, part of your daily Spanish activity should be looking at flashcards that I put on Quizlet for you and looking and studying them hard. All right, today we're going to talk about charting verbs out. All right. It's a very good exercise to do, especially when you're just learning a verb tense or just learning a new set of verbs. It's to conjugate the verb out in the chart. And that's random. That's SpongeBob. Okay, so we have been talking about this idea here of the boot verb. Okay, we have dormir, to sleep. Yo duermo, tú duermes. Él, ella, usted duerme. Nosotros dormimos. Vosotros dormís. Ellos, ellas, ustedes duermen. Guys, I want you to write this down. Okay, because some of us are still making mistakes, and it's okay, but it's not necessary. We don't have to make mistakes with our conjugations because we can have it written down in a piece of paper, on a piece of paper right in front of us as we're doing exercises. Okay, so make sure that you have these endings written down for AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs, because they will come in handy today as we chart out some of these new E to IE stem changers that we're looking at. Okay, and we're going to be seeing AR verbs today, we're going to be seeing ER verbs, and we're going to be seeing IR verbs. So make sure you have all of these written down for me. Thank you so much. All right, so what do I mean by chart them out? Let's take this verb, cerrar. Excuse me, cerrar is to shut. All right, so let's make a two command here. Cierra la puerta, shut the door. Mamá, estoy cerrando la puerta. If you'll remember that exercise. But here's what I mean by charted out, all right? So here's the verb cerrar. We just want to put it in the present tense. And so what we do is we put it in the present tense 6 different ways. Okay, and this should be something that you guys get in the habit of doing. It's just a great exercise if you to look at a verb and then to conjugate it 6 different ways and all the different verb tenses you know. And right now we're just focusing on the present tense, so we're just going to do the present tense. But as you continue to learn Spanish, and hopefully this year we'll get to things like the preterite and the imperfect and stuff like that, it's a very good way of studying your grammar, taking a verb and charting it out in different verb tenses. Okay, so let's do cerrar in the present tense, which is what we've been doing all along with all these different verbs we've been going over. And it looks like this, right? Since it's an E to IE stem changer, it's going to be also a boot verb. So yo form is the first one. Cierro, I close, I shut. Tú cierras. Él, ella, usted cierra. Nosotros, all right, so it doesn't change here. Nosotros and vosotros have just the regular root, okay? So nosotros cerramos, vosotros cerráis. Just normal, right? And then ellos, ellas, ustedes cierran. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to look at some of our new verbs from our new flashcard deck, and we're just going to chart them out. And I'm going to have you do the next one. So make sure that you have this written down for you, because when you see a verb, you need to identify if it's an AR, ER, or an IR verb, and then have this chart so you can make sure you get those endings correctly. And remember, these are all going to be E to IE stem changers. So you know that the yo form, the to form, the ella usted form, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes form are all going to have this E to IE change in them. Okay, you guys ready? All right, chart it out. Empezar, to begin, empezar. Give me the yo form, present tense. Good. To form. Muy bien. Remember, we are dealing with an AR verb here, so you got to remember to change the stem and put the right AR verb ending. El, ella, usted form. Nosotros. Vosotros. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. All right, I hope you guys got that. If you didn't, that's fine, but look at what you got wrong. See if you can understand why you got that wrong, and see if you can prevent that from happening in the next one that we're about to do. ¿A qué hora empieza la clase de español? Can you translate that? ¿A qué hora empieza la clase de español? What time does Spanish class begin? All right, chart it out. Pensar, to think. Give me the yo form. To form. El, ella, usted. Nosotros. Vosotros. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, so pensar, an E to IE stem changer in the present tense, also an AR verb. So if you have those AR endings written down, you know to put them where they belong. Pienso que la clase de español es muy divertido. Yo también pienso así. All right, chart it out. Defender. We are charting them out, guys. Okay, yo form. To form. El, ella, usted. Nosotros. Vosotros. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, defender, a nice ER verb. Yo tengo que, I have to. Yo tengo que defender mi país. I have to defend my country. Oopsie. It looks like I gave you guys this one. I'm going to hit pause for a second. I'll be right back. And we're back. Sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties. Okay, but... Well, you've already gotten a good look at this one, but let's do it again anyway, just for good old time's sake. Okay, so perder is to lose. Perder. Not to be confused with pedir, which is a verb we're going to learn soon, which means to order or to ask for. Perder is to lose. So I lose is... Oh, whoops. I lose is... Good. Give me the to form. Give me the el, ella, usted form. Give me the nosotros form. Give me vosotros. Give me ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay. Perder, to lose. Here's perder in a sentence. No quiero perder el partido de baloncesto. I no want to lose the basketball game. No quiero perder el partido de baloncesto. Okay, we're in good shape with this one. Preferir. We have an IR verb now, so make sure you're looking at your IR conjugation chart when you do this one. And give me the O form, por favor. Excelente. To form. Muy bien. Él, ella, usted. Eso. He prefers, she prefers, you formal prefer. How about nosotros? Preferimos vosotros. Preferís ellos, ellas, ustedes. Prefieren. To prefer. Pregunta para ti. ¿Prefieres Pepsi o Coca-Cola? ¿Qué prefieres? Pepsi or Coke? What do you prefer? Which do you prefer, Pepsi or Coke? I'm serious. I'm asking you this question. And I want you to answer me in a complete sentence. En español. Por favor. Sentir. All right, to feel sorry, for example. Lo siento muchísimo. I am so sorry. You'll hear this tons in Spanish. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento, señor Snowdy. Lo siento por llegar tarde a la clase de español. Give me the O form. Give me the to form. Give me the él, ella, usted form. Give me the nosotros form. Give me the vosotros form. Give me the ellos, ellas, ustedes form. Okay, guys, we are done for today. So I hope that you did a good job on this exercise. And remember, charting them out is an excellent way to learn your Spanish grammar, to learn your Spanish verb tenses. It's just a great exercise to do. And that's what we did today. In addition to what we have done today, I would like for you guys to study the newest addition to our 8th grade Quizlet class, which is a bunch of infinitives, including the ones we just went over that are E to IE stem changers. For Wednesday's class, I just need you to be familiar with these verbs, and we are going to do some more fill-in-the-blank sentences. So hopefully we can, in addition to mastering the usage of these verbs in the present tense, we can pick up some vocabulary, some contextual vocabulary as we do some sentences together on Wednesday. Entonces, muchas gracias, clase, y nos vemos el miércoles. Adiós.